Hello everybody, it's Diane again, and I'm going to introduce a new project pan for the new year. So I'm going to go along with Beauty News and be part of their hashtag Team Project Pan, which I'm really excited about. I love Kat and Haley, I love Beauty News, I love how they destroy makeup, so this is going to be really fun. Plus they both are really great panners. I wanted to start this a little bit easy. I'm going to start it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15 items. And as I use an item, I'm going to put a new similar item into the pan. Go all year with this, with Team Project Pan. See how many items I can finish by the end of the year. And yeah, this is going to be really fun. I'm also just gonna, I'm not gonna put in any like full eyeshadow palettes, but I might put in a single here and there, especially some of my older singles, try to use them up, get some use out of it. And I will do an update at least once a month by the end of the month so that you guys can see my progress and where I am at. So without further ado, though I probably should have marked things ahead of time. Let me mark a couple things really quick. We'll mark it in a second. Okay. I think it's about here. This one was up here. Okay. So the first item in my Team Project Pan is going to be my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I am right at this bottom line about, if you can see. I have tried panning it before, but I think if I make a conscious effort and I'm working it, I can go through it, and this is the only setting spray I'm going to focus on the entire time until I get through it. So that is my first item. My second item is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation in the shade 2.0, and I'm right about this bottom line. I think this will be a real easy one too. Again, if I'm just focusing on one foundation and one setting spray, I can get through it. I have, for a setting powder, Kat Von D from her Shade and Light Contour Palette in Lucid. I have repressed this. As you can see, it's just kind of in the middle there. I think this is kind of a gimme because I think I could probably get rid of this in just a few uses if I used it every day. So that's really exciting. And then I'm going to do my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C2. You can kind of see that. I've only used this a handful of times. I think I only have like 2 or 3 concealers right now. So it'll be fun to kind of use this up. I have enjoyed using it. I'm also going to do this mini Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Show you the wand. I have used this quite a few times before. It's rather big and fluffy. I do like this mascara. I just kind of want to use it up before I start another one. So there's that. I'm going to try to make it through my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Mad Max Brown. It's a little mini sample. You can kind of see it's just a really nice dark brown. I don't line my eyes that often, so this has been a real challenge for me. I'm going to try to make a point to. I'm also going to finish up, this is a total gimme, the Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer, which I really, really love. Got this weird little chapstick applicator on the mini. It probably has one use left. I'm gonna use that up. I'm going to use this little sample of the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. It's the pink one. You can kind of see on the back. I have used this before and enjoyed it. This is maybe 2 to 3 uses in it. That's kind of a gimme also, but I need a few gimmies to get my game going. I'm going to really try to get rid of my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. It's a brow gel that's tinted in, I believe it's medium to dark. This thing is the thing that will not end. I haven't even pulled stopper on it, and it just keeps going and going. I'm going to finally really put my e.l.f. brow pencil in deep brown to the test. Got the spoolie. There's just the tiniest bit left, so kind of another gimme, but I don't really use it that often, so I think if I really put my mind to it, I can get it and get it out of my collection. But I do enjoy it. Since I don't have really eyeshadow primers right now, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And I've used this a few times, probably sharpened it once. It is sharpenable, it's not a twisty, so I'm just going to keep using that. That might take me quite a while to get through. And then I have this little Sephora cream lip stain in number 40, so I'll swatch it. I have like a deep brown. I probably will still use other lips, but because it's a mini, I'm going to really try to get through it. I don't think it'll be more than maybe 10 uses in there, but still 10 uses is kind of a lot. I found that I could probably just use minis the rest of my life because one, I get sick of colors, and two, like different colors that I own. And then two, big ones last forever. I don't think I've ever made it through, have I? A full big one. I made it through a full lip oil, but that's something a little different. I also have these two extremely teeny tiny samples of lipstick from Elixiri Cosmetics, and this is a Minnesota-based brand. This one's in Nevermore, and this one's in Serendipity, and it's like a red and like a peachy pink. Probably like 1 to 2 uses each, but I just, again, want to use them up and get them out of my collection, and this will force me to do it. And then my last product actually comes from my single pan eyeshadows. This is MAC and Aria, just a nice taupey brown. I've had this is probably one of the oldest eyeshadows in my collection. I'm sure it doesn't perform as good as it used to. You can kind of see. But I'm excited to get more use out of this. And then this way I can kind of use it as a base or a crease color, and I can still use any of my other palettes. So those are the items I'm going to focus on. Let me know if you guys are part of hashtag Team Project Pan with Beauty News and everybody else who I'm sure is going to be joining in on this. And again, as I get through stuff, I'm going to take it out of my project pan and incorporate a new item. So it's going to be rolling all year long with monthly updates. I hope you guys like this format. I think this is the only project pan I'm going to do all year. I found that for me, focusing on a full eyeshadow palette is not industrious to how I use makeup, but maybe just one eyeshadow at a time to get some of the older ones or less loved ones out of my collection is a good way to go. So let me know what you guys think. Join us along in hashtag Team Project Pan. And I look forward to hearing what you guys think and seeing what you're going to do too. All right, thanks. Bye, guys.